Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in CapCut Mobile. Now, open up the CapCut app and tap on New Video on your iPhone or Android. And let's first just choose the first video, and then we'll add another one to split screen. So let's tap on, for instance, this one and hit Add. Now, after you've done that, you'll be able to see this is in portrait orientation or portrait mode for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. If you wanted to change that, you can, at the very bottom, tap on aspect ratio and you can switch to YouTube, 16:9, etc. So I'm going to just stay on here. And then the next thing that I'm going to do after this video is added, I'm going to add an overlay of another video on top of here. So I'm going to swipe all the way over and you can see overlay here. If you don't see that, it might be because you've selected this video. If it's highlighted in white, just tap on it, the video or outside the video, and tap on overlay. Now let's choose add an overlay. And in this case, I'm going to choose a different video and hit add. Now it's going to add this other video. Let's just zoom this all the way in. Let's say this takes up the entire screen on here. You can see both videos are on here, but I want to split the screen. What I'm going to do is select that second video so it is highlighted in white. And then I'm going to swipe all the way over at the very bottom. You can see it's towards the bottom at the very end. You can see is mask. I'm going to tap on mask. And then usually you want to do like a horizontal mask. And now you can see I can scrub my finger up and down. And if I play this video, it will split screen between these two different videos. Of course, you can choose all of these sorts of other things like circle if you wanted, say, for instance, a circle mask or anything like that. But most of the time, people just want horizontal. And on here, you can use your fingers to pinch and rotate around. If you wanted a vertical split screen, you can move that around. And you can also fade it in between the two split screens just by taking your finger and swiping over. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.